here with the Time to Eat family. It's good to have you here. It's good to be back on this lovely Tuesday here we got. How y'all doing today? We got W's in the chat. Hey, if we could spam some W's in the chat today, if you're feeling good, if you're ready for a big day, throw some W's in the chat. And let's get this day started properly, right? Let's get it started properly. How y'all feeling? Good? Yeah, they're ready. It's that time. Oh, man. Hey, welcome, everyone. W's in the chat. Let's go, baby. W's coming in. W's coming out. W's all in between this live session here today, man. We're going to be blessed. God bless you guys here today. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to see what the charts have in store for us. And we're going to have a great day here. Let me just get the Zoom link sent out so everyone in Zoom can join. And we are just about ready to go. Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Henry? What's up, Bobby? What up, Ewan? Hey, Lewis. Ghost of me's here. Bruno. Sunrise. David Tots in the building. Yes, sir. The hustlers are here. Brewski's in the house. Shiro's, of course, in the building. Throwing some W's in the chat. What up, Shiro? What up, Cat Studios? What up, Nor? What up, Nor? What's good, Robert? Big Folk Red in the building. Jimmy Lambo's in the house. What up, Leo? What up, Disturbed? They're all here. What up, Dopa? Dopa? Is that how you say it? Dopa? Disturbed running with the pack. Who else we got? What up, Blake? Morning, brother. FX Vikings here. Rich and Royal. What up, Rich and Royal? Crypto Madden's in the house. What up, Crypto Madden? What up, Aaron? Classic Trader. I see you. I see you, Classic Trader. What up, Matthew? Bradley's in the building. What up, Bradley? What up, LeGrand? Good morning. Good morning. All right. Awesome. Awesome. Good to see all you guys here. Good morning, Joseph. Good morning, everyone pulling up on Zoom. Good morning, guys. Welcome in. What mods do we got in the house today? We got Shiro. We got Z Gamer here. Good morning, Jonathan. Good morning, Bars FX. Yeah. Escape the Matrix is here. What up, Escape the Matrix? I like that name. That's a good name. Nightbot's in the building. What up, Nightbot? All right. Dennis, what's good? Good morning, Dennis. Joe Stewart's in the building. Joey Stu, what up, kid? What up, YOLO Trader? Buck the Fly. The Fly is here. I seen those emojis going earlier. The Fly is here. All right. All right. Awesome, gang. Good to see you all here. We're going to get started here in just a second. Let me just make sure everything is good on my end, gang. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, go ahead and join our free Discord. We've got over 5,000 people in the free Discord here now. Completely free. We got all these awesome channels here where you can come in and learn how to trade and talk to other traders. And, you know, you can be a part of this New York session. If you guys are trading London session, there's always traders who are trading just like us, right? Trading our playbook here in this Discord. You got the Asian session. So, oh, what's this? Was Nick new account live or challenge? This is a 400K challenge account with the funded trader that we're doing now. So my live account is frozen with my Forex or my frozen funds. Is that what they're called now? So yeah. So yeah, the live account is frozen. It's frozen, but yeah, we got this 400K account coming up here. So we're gonna kill this. We're gonna crush it. We're gonna document everything here, and it's gonna be a good time. So you guys are more than welcome to join the free Discord, gang. Come on in, and any questions you have, go ahead and ask them up. If you got some desk setups, I mean, I just seen this one. Sheesh. Who's this? Noel FX. Fuego. Yeah, nice, dude. Very clean. My fraudy funds. Yeah, so if you guys got some spaceships here, go ahead and let's see what you got. Oh, nice. Oh, beautiful office, man. Cool. Hey, live stream. Awesome. Yeah. And yeah, so if you guys got any cool desk setups, you can pop them in here. If you're reading any good books, you can go ahead, plug them in here. You eating any good food? Show us what you got, man. Show us what you got. But yeah, that's the free Discord. But I think we're good to go, right? Let me just make sure everything's good with these guys. All right, yeah, we're straight. So let's get into it, gang. It is Tuesday, right? It is the 5th day of September, and we are approaching pretty much a new week here, right? Yesterday was a bank holiday, so wasn't really much going on there. Let me just lower this a little bit. Wasn't really much going on yesterday outside of some really good conversation. If you guys happen to miss the live stream yesterday, go back and watch that at some point, you know, today or this weekend or whenever you have time. But, you know, make the time and go listen to that. I think we had some good conversation there yesterday. So today's Tuesday, right? We're back. Volume is back in the markets. There's no bank holidays here, and we are ready to go. So it's another day, another opportunity, as I always say, to be disciplined traders, to be professional, to stick to what we know best, right? And that's the playbook, right? The playbook is going to work long term. As I always preach, I am loyal to the playbook, right? The playbook takes care of me, so I make sure that I take care of the playbook. But before we get into the charts, we're going to take a look at some of the Forex Factory, see what we got going on here today. And really not much in the headlines here for us, right? A lot of euro, a lot of stuff happening with the euro here. We're pretty clean up until about 10 a.m. And then we got this, you know, minor yellow folder at 10 a.m. And that's about it. Other than that, it should be a very clean day. I believe gold daily time frame is getting some action going. So let's dive into the charts. Let's see what it is that we're seeing here on gold and pound yen, and then we'll kind of chill out and go from there. All right, so taking a look at the weekly time frame yesterday. So we did open up yesterday. We kind of pushed up and pushed down, and you know, now we've kind of got this high here, and we also have a low. Right now, one thing about the weekly time frame is that, you know, it closed above the most, you know, this recent level of support, right? Where price was trying to finally close above it. Wasn't able to do it here. Wasn't able to do it here. But this candle did it, right? But where did we close, right? If we look at where we closed and you look left, there's another very strong area right here. So very choppy, to be honest, on the way up. To me, some of you guys would draw like a trend line here, right? All right, like something maybe along those lines, somewhere like that, right? Little trend line or something. So for me personally, I think, you know, we may see some problems right around here for gold as we start pushing up. I may be wrong, right? But price action, we know where we're at on the monthly. We know where we're at, you know, on this weekly candle. Very little to no bottom wick on the previous weekly, right? Monthly candle is bearish. We have created that top wick. Looks like we're breaking the lows now, so you know, it wouldn't surprise me if we start pushing down on this weekly time frame and fail to break that high, right? So that's what we got going on. We are pretty bullish based off the weekly, but let's just keep in mind what's going on, right? We are in this zone here. So we are in this zone. This candle has very little to no bottom wick. Very high chance price can push down due to the movement on the monthly time frame here. So let's keep that in mind. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily did close bearish as well. So daily closed bearish yesterday. Excuse me. We have very little to no top wick on this candle here. So not too sure if I want to be concerned about that or not. We do have some sort of an exhaustion wick to the top side here, closing bearish below this resistance. And now we're starting to tread down with clean traffic to the left. Looking into, you know, moving into spots right like 1914 here for price to continue down today, right? Very bearish based off of the looks of this price action. Let's take a look at the 4-hour here. So 4-hour is moving down, but what do we got here? What are we missing on this candle? What are we missing, right? We're missing a top wick on this current 4-hour candle. We are pushing down, but you know, I do expect to see a top wick, If not on this current one, at least the next candle make a top wick. So it looks like the 4-hour candles have closed below the range here. You do have clean traffic coming down to the left hand side. This wouldn't have been a position for me based off the 4-hour, just because there's no top wick, right? So if we don't have a top wick, really nothing we can do at this point. Let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame and the 30-minute to see how we could potentially find positions here, right? So 1-hour time frame, the nearest support is right around here. This is what I was looking at earlier. Let's take a look at the 30. We move it down just a little bit there, right? So 30-minute time frame has created a support, right? Let's move this down. Support. You also have a resistance, and I think if we can get a closure below, then price looks pretty clean to continue on down, right? A lot of clean traffic here. I don't want to take this celery looking play off of the 1-hour, because this candle has no wick here, right? No wick, and this candle closed bullish, right? And we closed right at that support. So what I would like to see, if possible, is we can come up here, give that 4-hour a top wick, and then start to look to come back down, right? So what's that going to look like based off of price action here? Well, let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. 1 hour, 30-minute. Let's take a look at the 15. So look, so you have a resistance here, right? You have a support here. I think we can look for potential fake outs back up here off the 30-minute time frame, right? And if you don't get a 30-minute fake out, then what we can do is we can just take our sells below here today. But in terms of buys get a bit tricky here, right? Because we don't want to take buys anywhere below, I would say 35, right? If we can get a closure back above 35, that may be okay to take buys. Let me just look left here. Yeah, so I'd probably take my buys above 38 here. Buys above 38. Look for some sort of fake outs back up in this range, right? Because if price has been pushing down, right, and then we decide to come back up, well, what we're really doing is we're retracing, right? So you get a candle to kind of close and move back up here and get some sort of a fake out right here for price to continue down, right? Something like this. And then we can continue down from there. Other than that, if you get a closure on the 30-minute below these levels here, then price may want to go, right? Price may want to continue going, but I won't take any positions here. I don't like the buys above this range here. It's very choppy. I think it's much better to wait for buys to trade in this zone up here where there's a little bit more clean traffic. The only area in our way would be something like right here. So we keep an eye on that depending on our entries. You're right. If we can get an entry down here, then that could be something we can go break even at, right? But if our entries are somewhere over here, then we may have to worry about this area. So we'll keep that in mind as price continues to move over the course of the next couple hours, and we'll see where we're at. But I think we could look for sells below here at this point, below this 30-minute support. We have a resistance right now, but I would like to see a closure below, especially with no top wick on that 4-hour candle there. So also no top wick on this 30-minute candle. I would not have taken this even if I was sitting here watching it. So we'll see how everything closes up here, but that's going to be what I'm looking at here for the day. Pretty simple. We could look for fake outs right in any of these areas here, right? Fake outs to come back down as price retraces. It would be lovely to see candles stick their head above here and give that 4-hour a top wick. So that's what we're going to be doing, or that's what I'll be doing here today. And that's what I'll be looking for here on gold. Pretty simple. Sells below 1930. Sells below. And then 1933 is an area where we can look for fake outs, right? Same thing with 35, and then I'll look to probably take buys above 38 here. Yeah, that would be breaking the current daily candle high too. That'll be our best confirmation for buys here today. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Isn't it funny how that lines up with the high on the lower time frames? Right? And then you got pretty clean traffic coming up. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking for here today, gang. Let me just mark this up. All right. Perfect. Perfect. So that's gold. Let's sit tight, right? We're very bearish. Daily candle is very bearish as well. It's pre-New York. We may need some sort of a little bit of pullback, just like any candle, right? Any healthy candle. It would, obviously you have, pushes that are come up and come down and, do all this. So let's see if we can get the daily candle to pump back a little bit. And then we can find some sort of resistance up top here, right? And then we can be in it for the ride as we break the lows and continue, moving down here today. So that's what I'll be looking for, ladies and gents. And let's take a look at pound yen as well. So let's take a look at GJ and see what we got going on with pound yen, because GJ is looking a lot better too. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame here. So we are pretty bearish based off the weekly time frame. Thank you, Lord. We're finally starting to see some sort of a push down here, right? So if we're making a top wick and we want to break these lows, then there's a high chance we can continue down, right? So let's see, the daily did close bullish here yesterday. So we are pretty bullish on the day. It looks like we've created a high, we've created a low. Now it's all about what this candle wants to do. I believe if it can re-break the highs here, then you may see a push up. If not, we may close resistance, right? On today's candle and look to come down further, after now establishing this top wick on the weekly candle, right? So that's what we got going on the daily, because remember, just like if we were looking for a 30-minute resistance, right, or a 30-minute, we want to see, hey, can this be the high, right? The new 4-hour top wick. What do we have to see? We have to see some sort of resistance on the 15 or something, right? So same thing, right? If this is going to be the high of the weekly in the top wick for the weekly to come down, then we want to see our resistance here on the daily. And maybe we can get that today, right? Maybe we can get that today. So either way, we are bullish though based off the daily. So we will be looking for buys. I'll be looking for sells as well. How are we going to do that? Let's take a look at the 4-hour. 4-hour did move down very strongly here, right? Moved down very strong, kind of closed within this zone right here. That's not the best, the best closure here, right? Kind of closed right in this zone. So you may see a pushback up on pound yen for a little bit during pre-New York. Let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. And if we look at the 1-hour, right, if we can anticipate the continuation down, right, the move down here today, how do we find that, right? Well, if we look at the 1-hour, price is retracing, right? So you have this level of support right here, which you got a candle to close above, right? So if you can get this candle now to close back below, well, then there's your fake out, and you have clean traffic coming all the way back down here to about 184.250, right? Now, if that can happen, great. We'll look to take our sells coming down, and if not, then I will probably just look to take my buys above here today, 185.260, and call it a day there, because that would be breaking the daily highs, and that would also be breaking the previous 4-hour highs. So I'm not going to touch these buys going on in here. I'm actually going to anticipate the possibility for a potential fake out here, right? Because if this candle can close like this, then we got room to come down and we can retest this support and take our sells. So that's what I look for on pound yen. Pretty simple, right? Pretty simple. So looking for fake outs for sells in this area to continue down. My buys will be above here, and my sells will I'm trying to find sells somewhere around this area if we can get a fake out here. So that's what we got going on here today, ladies and gents. Should be a good clean day. Should be nice and clean. Perfect. Perfect. So that's it. That's it. Right? Now at the end of the day, if you guys weren't here, I'd just be sitting here watching. Just sitting here watching. Right? So now when the emotions arise and you don't know what to do, you can count on what we've done here with a logical state of mind, and just sit tight and wait for our positions here. That's it. That's what trading is all about. Definitely not taking these sells right now. Looks like there was some sort of a celery play, but yeah, not gonna take the sells just yet. But if we do get a closure below, maybe interested. Got 12 minutes for that to happen. Okay, what do we got here? What up, chat? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Let me check on the stream. Let me give the stream a like myself. Gotta like your own stuff. Oh my god. Am I looking at the right number here? 181. Awesome. Awesome stuff. Why don't you make a mouse pad like Don? I don't know. Not too focused on that just yet. Do you have a trading course? Yeah, right here. Free live streams every day, man. It doesn't get too much better than this. Outside of the elite program, we can get more in-depth one-on-one. But other than that, the live streams are a class, right? They are a course. You from London? No. No, sir. No, sir. Go full margin on the likes. Yeah. Yeah, gang, so we do have the elite program. So if you want to be a part of that, that's a 10-week mentorship program. We do that every 10 weeks. You guys have, I think we're going to leave the application form open for another 2 days. So we'll have that open for about another 2 days here. And then we're going to shut it down. We're going to review all the applications. We've got a lot. So we've got a lot to go through. And, we're going to pick our 25 members of the squad, and then we'll open it up in another 10 weeks or so. Morning, Nick. I'll be waiting with you. Awesome. When's John gonna start London? He's gonna start that I think in October. He's moving into a new place, so they're getting everything all set up with that, and then he'll get himself situated, and then he'll be doing the London sesh. What do we got? Oh, nice. Trading your 200K account? Nice. Am I from Kakistan? No, sir. What up, that guy, TK? What up, TK? TK in the building. Anthony Fernandez in the building. Is John moving closer to you? Yeah, he's moving real close to me. Yeah, they're moving like 5 minutes away from where I live. They got bunk beds. They got bunk beds. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Would you look at this? Yeah, a nice 1 hour closure below would be very sweet. We just broke the 1 hour lows there on pound yen, so good. What up, Unique? Good to see you. What up, Green? What up, brother? Green's in the house, everyone. Green's in the house. Close below pound yen. Yeah, pound yen looks a bit better than gold right now. Gold would be nice to see a pullback here, just like we got on pound yen. Yeah, so if gold could start moving up, that'd be lovely, and pound yen start moving down. And then we get out of pound yen, it starts moving up, and we get into gold when it starts moving back down, right? So that sounds like a plan to me. Look at that. Hey, Nick, how are you, brother? Hey, man, I'm doing fantastic, bro. How are you? Good to see you here today. What up, AV Mike? Morning, bro. Morning, morning. Do you see gold filling the gap down? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yup. I can see us coming down here today. Right, you have the support level down here, but then, you know, there's a really clean range to tap into down here. So that's going to be our initial range that we're looking to tap into, and probably right around here. And then, yeah, we can go even further here today. So pretty clean, pretty clean. I think we're starting to re-break the lows here. Yeah, starting to re-break those lows now. So nice, nice. How does my Forex fund situation affect you as a pro trader? It doesn't affect me at all, to be honest. I mean, I have a live account that's frozen. That's about it. Other than that, you know, now I just I got a 400K account here, and worst case, I put money into my own account. So there's always solutions. So none of this will affect me. Or should I say, I won't let any of this affect me, right? I'm always looking for solutions, always looking for, you know, what the next steps are, right? What the next logical steps will be. Yo, bro, hello. What up, hello? What's good, hello? Hello, hello. Do you think it would be affecting you at the beginning of your journey? Yeah, probably if I didn't have any like backup money to do other stuff with, then yeah, of course, you know, I would have to figure out a way to hustle up some money. But immediately I would go and look for ways to figure out how to hustle up some money, right? So would it affect me? Maybe for a little bit. It may take me longer to get my hands on another account or something, but at the end of the day, I would just continue, you know, marching forward. Most of my job is finding solutions. Yeah. 6 minutes till candle close. Yep. Yes, sir. What up, Shad? Good morning, brother. Good morning, brother. Wad's in the building. Shad is here. Yanosh is here. What up, Yanosh? Hero of the day. What up, hero of the day? Hey, Forex Frank. What up, Forex Frank? Good morning. Good morning. Did I see you here yet? I don't know. Did I say your name earlier? First time here. Good morning. Hey, what's up, hallway? Elvin. Good to have you here today. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And come hang with us. Come stream with us. Come trade with us every day. We do this every single day, Monday through Friday. It's time. What up, Andrew? Oh, no, I'm sorry. Did I just say Andrew? Alexandru. What up, Alexandru? Giuseppe, what up, gang? What up? Great Bible study last night. Oh, unique. Oh, thank you, man. Hey, yeah, last night was just incredible, man. Incredible. It's good to be back in the war room and talking about one of my favorite books, one of my favorite people in the Bible, and dove deep into Acts chapter 9, man. Talked about Saul at the time, his journey on the way into Damascus, right? Interesting. Greetings from Indonesia. Yo, yo. All right. So, yeah, I mean, if we do get a closure below, not looking too bad, right? Got a nice 45 pip move down. Entries will probably be over here at the break of the lows around like 1930, 095, somewhere around there. Well, we got 2 minutes. What up, Johnny boy? Johnny boy's in the house. Let's get him up here.
Hey, good morning, Nick.
Whoa, whoa.
What's going on?
Oh, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Let me lower this. How are you, bro?
Doing freaking wonderful, brother. How about you?
Oh man, amazing. Oh,
Doing great. What's up? What's up? Good morning, chat. Good morning, everyone in
Yes,
Zoom. What's
sir.
going on? How we doing? Another day of following our plan. Another day of working out our discipline and patient muscle. Another day of winning the day, right? Focus on winning the day today.
Yes, sir. Just win the day. That's all we got to do.
Chat, happy Tuesday. What's going on?
All right. So we got 1 minute here. We might get a 30-minute close below. Let's take a look at pound yen as well. Pound yen is pushing back up. So we really want to see the 1 hour candle close here. We've broken the lows yet already. So if we get the 1 hour to close, that'd be best. But we still got some time for that. But gold 30-minute closing here in about 50 seconds. So let's see what happens here. 1826 on the horizon. So no biggie. If we don't get any positions here, we'll just wait till NY open, right? Let's see how this candle closes. We got 20 seconds, so. The weather in Florida is getting beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
But it is. We enter in those months now.
Yep. All right. So what we got is a candle closed below. We do have a bottom wick here on this candle. So I want to see if we can make a top wick and, come on down. So let's see if we can get a little bit better of a top wick here. And then if we do re-break the low, then very high chance we will continue down. So let's just wait on it. Yep, want to see a top wick, at least come back to 1930 here. Or right around this support, tap into these wicks, and then come back down. (93 degrees Fahrenheit). Oh yeah, now we're going back down. We're going back down. It was like 93, 95 for a while here, but now we're going back in the low 80s, and feels good. I need more sunshine. I didn't sell yet. No, I'm waiting for a little bit of a steeper top wick. Yeah. We saw 97, 98, several here. Oh. Oh, it's getting hot. Can you look at UJ? Not right now. Maybe in a little bit. Oh, look, the 1 hour broke the low and now coming back up here. Interesting. Interesting, interesting. Yeah, trust me, a 1 hour closure is fire too here, right? If we don't necessarily take this off the 30, we wait for a 1 hour close at NY Open, and then we take our positions then. Low 90s. Where are you now? Where are you, Forex Frank? I thought you're in Florida, aren't you? Could have sworn I remember hearing you say you were in Florida. Yeah, the villages. Yep. Could you please make a dedicated video on your strategy?
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
Yeah, we'll make a video. Got you. Why wait for a 1 hour close instead of 30 minutes? Because we have more volume coming in at 8 a.m. right? So 7 to 7:30 typically isn't going to be or 7:30 isn't going to be the volume. The more volume is going to come in as we open up the New York session. War Room was fire. You're a great preacher, brother. Oh, am I? Oh, thank you. War
Room was fire.
War Room was amazing. It really was. It's good to see you guys back in the War Room, man. Shout out to everyone that was there last night. Amazing time together. Amazing fellowship. There's Sam Capital. We've got no strategy, mate.
Sam the man.
We break the lows. Why can't we take a sell? Like I was saying, I wanted to see a steeper top wick, right? So I didn't jump on these sells here. So now what I really want to see is how this 1 hour candle is going to close, right? Because now we've broken the lows and pulling back up. We've activated a lot of sellers. 1 hour may want to do what we were talking about doing earlier and push up a bit to retrace and then come back down. So I think it would be much better here if we wait for the 1 hour closure. Just my opinion, though. Just my opinion. Zero strategy. You love the voice effect. Stop streaming when the Don streams. Bro, I am the Don. Who are you talking to? Why are you on my stream? Gold target. Gold we're looking to target 1917 here today. Yeah, that's going to be probably our ultimate target here today. We got a nice clean range to continue down, and I like it. So we'll see what happens here. Would it be safe to open up a funded account with the five? I have no idea. I don't have an account with them. It ain't safe out here, man. Hide your kids.
Hey, everything risky.
Hide your grandparents. They're coming. If you're just getting started, what's the best pair to trade for the New York session? Gold. But if you're really, really new, then maybe trade a pair like Euro USD or something, just to get familiar with everything. My brothers and sisters.
And if you want to try new funded companies, make sure you do your research.
Yeah.
Do your research beforehand. Get everything you need to know down.
Do that
before
research.
you invest in them.
I just got a 400K account with the funded trader, so I'll be trading with them up until any further complications. But hopefully that doesn't happen, and we just continue moving forward. Don't listen to the YouTube guys. Sell it now.
Yeah, I'm just saying, make sure you check out their website, look at the pros and cons, all that.
Yep. Make an educated decision.
Yeah, I was gonna say location, what they offer, how many funded traders they have, how many people they funded, all that.
My opinion on prop firms, I think they're good as long as they're legit, right? I used FTMO for a while, and I made good money with them, but apparently that they were doing some sketchy illegal stuff, right? So I'm glad they got shut down. Yeah, I have a live account that's frozen with them, but there's a bigger picture, right? There's a bigger picture here, and if they're gonna be cheating traders, and especially they're profitable traders like me, right? The guys that they are having to give payouts. Well, if they're trying to get us to blow our accounts, which it seems pretty obvious now at this point, right? Some of you guys in the chat said that there were times where, and live accounts are different than challenge accounts, right? So they were going after the live accounts, right? The ones that were getting payouts, and it's for us to just steadily move profitable and basically beat them at their own game is just incredible, right? And now they got caught, but I wouldn't call them prop firms. I would just call them funding companies, right? Because that's what they are. They'll fund you with some capital. Prop firms are totally different, totally different. So, funding capital, I'll take it, right? As long as they're not manipulating the broker, I think it's a great idea. If you got the skill set, they've got the capital, but we just got to make sure, I guess, regulations are put in place to protect people like you and me, right? Because that's the reason why MFF is getting shut down, is because they were taking advantage of people like you and me, right? So I don't want to be taken advantage of. I doubt you do too. So I'm glad all this happened. I'm willing to sacrifice a live account, right, for better quality moving forward. So yeah, man.
Sounds like they're already profitable, but they wanted more money, and that led to them scamming people. They wanted more of what they could have.
Man's got greedy.
And they got greedy.
I don't care that they're taking that they're making all their money off of failed challenges like that. That it is whatever, right? Because that's just them selling a product and whatever. But to be going into your solid profitable traders, like, come on, bro. You need more money than all the 95% of people who fail your challenges. That's just greed. That's just greed at the end of the day, gang.
Yeah, because I saw the Fund the Next CEO tweeted, that, and I've heard CEOs of other prop firms say this as well. But 95% of traders are failing these accounts, and only 5% are succeeding. So if that's the case, right, they should be profitable still. So what it seems like my Forex funds did was they were getting greedy, and they wanted to scam people and make more money, right? They should have still been profitable.
Yeah.
So seems like a company problem.
50% margin, still need more. Crazy. Seems like a douchebag problem. So it seems like. That's crazy. What up, Scotty boy? Good morning, brother. Scott's in the house.
Morning, Scott.
Ooh, Damn, my friend had his first 10K payout yesterday. His company sent him an email right. Oh my God, closing the account due to a rule breach. Guy didn't even open a trade yet. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah, they don't want to pay out, man. I mean, I never had one issue with a payout from my Forex funds. So that wasn't the problem, right? They were paying, but they were manipulating stuff, trying not to pay. But yeah, like TK said, maybe none of this is even true, right? Maybe none of it's even true. So we just got to wait till the 11th, right? That's what we kind of said from the jump, is just hang tight and wait, right? Let's wait on a hearing. Hey, yo. What up, K Nasty? Morning, bro. It's all a bad dream. It's all a bad dream, man.
Either way, we do the same thing every day, right? We focus on the job here, you know. So let it all be chatter, background noise. Stay focused, stay locked in.
Yeah, so look, if we do get this 1 hour candle to close below the zone here, then what's going to happen is that's also going to lead to a 30-minute celery play, right, at 8 a.m. So if that does happen, I'm not touching this 30-minute candle, even if it breaks the lows again. If it drives, it drives. If it closes below and the 1 hour closes below, then we may have a celery play on our hand, and that's something I would look to possibly take advantage of. If not, I would love to see price push up, give us a top wick on this candle, and then come back down later. So we'll see where we're at in about 15 minutes. Nick is from Pakistan. Pakistan. Greatest place in the world. Nick's from a small town in India. That is where I come from. Wakanda. What does B stand for? That stands for break even. So that means that we got into a trade. We went into profits, and there's a point in where we will move our stops to break even. So we had probably moved our stops to break even, and price came back and tapped us out at our entry point. I'm from my mother. My frozen folks.
What's the new name?
Hey, yo, where'd that Yankee hat go, John?
Over here.
What do you got on your head now? Florida Marlins?
I got a Florida, yeah, Marlins hat. Yep.
Oh, okay. Mr. Florida.
Yeah. Which one you like better?
I like them both.
Alright, thanks.
All right, let's see what happens here. Good morning, Uncle Scalp. Good morning, sir.
Uncle Scout.
What up, Riz? Can it be a 15 celery? 15-minute candle closed above the range here, so nope. So we're just going to sit tight here and wait on the NY open.
Stick with the stronger time frames.
Yeah. Shad in the building. What mods do we have here today? Who do we got? Where the mod? Let's see the sea of mods. We got Z Gamer in the house as always. We got Anthony Fernandez in the building. We got Sam Capital. We got Shad. TK's here. Who else we got? We got Scotty Boys in the house. Green's in the building. Greenery.
Hey, Greenery.
The Mod Gang. That's the Mod God and his gang. Mod Gang. Shiro's in the building. I see you, Shiro. Shiro, I see you, bro. I see you. Shad is
Hey,
here.
I see them all. Shiro, Shad.
Thank you guys for holding it down, by the way. Appreciate all the mods, man. Holding it down. Doing an excellent job helping everybody out. So we appreciate you guys, man. Seriously. Awesome work from the mods.
Shout out the mods.
Yeah.
Time to eat mods. Let's get it.
We'll get some new mods coming in here pretty soon. I think we'll do that at 20K. We're creeping on 20K. We should be at 20K by no later than the end of the month, right? No later than the end of the month. We all just trying to be like Green? Yes, sir. All of us.
Everyone.
You and me both, player. Hey, Leo, thank you so much for the donation, bro. You didn't have to do that. Thank you, though. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Leo, yes, sir. The man. When did donations turn back on? So you guys remember yesterday I had an issue with the live stream, like getting it back up, and I think they needed me to hit some sort of option with monetization, and I think that was it, because I don't even know what I did. I just hit the button and boom, it just worked again. So, but thank you, Leo. You guys don't have to donate, man. That's very, very nice of you. Don't give me too much. Don't give me too much. Leo asked the question.
Chills.
Oh, I'm from India. Which broker do you think is best broker out there for trading? To be honest, I really don't think there is a best broker. It all depends on how you trade, right? Again, I think I was saying this yesterday about some brokers are higher on spreads, some are higher on commissions. If you trade like us, I would try and find a broker that's really good on spreads. As of now, I would recommend Dominion Markets. They're probably the best broker in terms of spreads on pairs that we trade, like gold and pound yen. So look into them and set up an account with them, and then just see how you like them. You know, I think you'll like them. I have an account with them. I have an account with a few others, but I think at this point Dominion Markets is my go-to. I've never used Icy Markets, so I'm not too sure. I can't really speak on them. But yeah, I've heard that they're a really good broker as well. Green is everywhere. Yeah, Dominion's Raja's broker, yep. Oh, excuse me. So not bad here.
10 minutes.
Whoa.
Hello.
You ready? Green has 3 streams open.
10 minutes, wait.
Dominion Markets is fire for sure. Yeah, they're good. India is leaving India itself. How to start with 0? Start with 0.
Just start.
Yeah. I mean, we all start with 0, right? We all come out the same way, butt naked and crying, right? Upside down, butt naked and crying, and we just got to figure it out from there, right? We've been placed in certain people's hands, and we call them parents, and, you know, they decide to give us some sort of filter in which life is seen by, and then it's our job to, you know, grow as we start to become smarter and use our brain more, and, you know, take that 0 and start multiplying it and start making a life out of what we got. And that's basically it.
X.
You know?
Start now. Hustle up some money, learn the skill set, and then invest.
True, bro. Yeah, man. That's all of our story, right? We all have the same story. Right? We get handed into these random people's hands, which we call parents. And you know, the parent's job is a very important one, right? To prepare the new human for life in this world. And you know, some parents do a great job in it, some parents do okay, but I think they all try to do the best they can, and you know, it's up to us to take it from there, right? Once we get a little older, start figuring things out on our own.
Oh yeah.
Investment plans, Nick? You know, we do a little investing.
Just a little bit.
Where can you learn our course? You can, oh, that's what you mean. Okay, so I didn't have to talk about the whole upside down, butt naked crying. All right. You can apply for our 10-week mentorship program. We'll be starting that up in October. So you guys can apply at the Time to Eat website. Apply there, and then yeah, if you get accepted, then you can run with us for the next 10 weeks. Other than that, you can just tune into the YouTube live streams for free. For free. All right, 1 hour is closing up in about 6 minutes here. What do you think about my frozen funds? My funds are frozen. That's what I think about it.
Frozen.
I think my funds are frozen. Let's see. What are these stops looking like? About 22, 23 pips. Not too bad. If we keep stops up at 1932, you know, 170, somewhere up there. My funds are frozen too. Demo trading is very different than live trading. It is. Yep. Who John go with now? Johnny's with the funded trader as well.
EFT.
They're going through the ice age. Are you trading on the 400K account now? Yeah, I am. Yep. Yeah, the account's right here. So it's pretty much ready to go. Ready to roll. Just waiting for a closure.
Fresh accounts.
A lot of people got fresh accounts today. Yeah, so we're just waiting on this 1 hour candle to close. So we may have a 1 hour breakout, 30-minute celery play. Just got to wait 4 more minutes.
Game of waiting.
Yeah.
Y'all see it first.
Give me 1 sec before this 4 minutes is up. Fresh 100K today. Let's go. Who got fresh accounts here today?
Who else got fresh accounts? Hey, Warren got it. Let's go. BK got it. Nice. My account already 50% dropped now. What? Hey, fresh 100, nice. Let's go. Scott, let's get it. It seems like everyone's running up a fresh account. Let's go. Hey, y'all in the right crowd. I'm telling y'all. Time to go on a tear here. Time to eat.
Seems to me like the funded trader just made about 3 million in the last like 48 hours. That's what it seems like to me.
Definitely.
We didn't have a choice. Word.
They had to know, like, they were about to make some bread. Like, come on. One of the top dogs got taken down.
Yeah. All right, 2 minutes left. Let's take a look at pound yen here as well. Pound yen's moving up. Looks like we broke the lows there, something like a pack runner. And starting to fill the wick here a little bit.
Yeah, TK, exactly.
I'm just happy I'm seeing ads on your stream. What? Wait, you guys aren't seeing ads like in the middle of the live stream, right? Please don't tell me that.
That's right.
Right? Oh, okay, cool. Imagine it's like, hold on, brief moment. All right, chat, we got a bicep. Oh, wait. What?
Oh.
Tide, Bounty. Clean your clothes. Have a fresh, clean smelling house. You're like, what the fuck?
And it's like the one of two. Yo, those be the longest 5 seconds, right, chat? Like waiting for the skip ad.
You're like, boom, boom, hitting your Discord, your keyboard.
Yo, Sam. That's funny.
Sam, mi amigo. There he is.
Oh, finally.
My bad. Were you
Freedom.
trying to get my attention?
Yes.
He's free.
For like 30
Sam the
minutes.
man.
Damn, dude. I did not see
Oh,
it.
man.
Sorry, bro.
That's no, you're good.
Sam's a free man.
Why isn't Sam on Zoom? I'm here, baby. I'm here, Wasim.
He's here, boys. He's here.
I've been chilling. Nah, I've been chilling. Ain't nothing really going on.
Oh, there it goes. Free me right there. Yeah.
What's going on today, gentlemen?
Oh, doing well, man. Doing very, very well. Great night last night.
Wonderful.
Looking to
Last night was amazing, bro. Yesterday was like, I'm not even gonna lie, bro. When we first started like getting into it, I was like trying to backtrack, trying to read back. So I was like, wait a minute, bro. And then like by the end of it, it was like,
There's nothing.
yeah, bro.
Mind blown.
Coming to
There's
Warren, if you weren't there, you're missing out. And if there was a single part of you that felt nudged to come, that was God telling you that you should be there. So hey, next week.
Yep.
Next week.
Next week we're back.
He's
Back.
funny.
Alrighty, so we have the NY Open coming up here in 1 second. So boom, here comes the NY Open. So it looks like we do have a breakout here, right? I would like to see a top wick. We also have somewhat of a 30-minute celery play as well. So if we can get a top wick here, we may wait for 8:15, depending on what we see. But yeah, it looks pretty good to continue down. So. Yeah, we've got that resistance there on the 30. Looks good. 1929-ish. Somewhere around here we'll have sell stops. Yeah. I want to see because we already have the resistance there on the 15, right? We have the 30-minute celery play. And we also have the 1 hour breakout here. So let me see how big this wick fill is as well. About a 5 pip wick fill. So yeah, I think it's best that we set sell stops on a break of the 30 lows versus trying to catch like a 15 onion or a 1 hour breakout. I think the 30 is going to be our best bet. So let's see if we can come up a little bit, break that high. There it is almost. Okay, cool. So now let's just wait for the 15 closure. And if we can close back below the range, that's going to be perfect. And we'll have sell stops on a break of the lows. It's time. Yes, it is. Is it a celery or an onion? Yeah, it's got both, right? It's got both working on there. So we broke the 30 highs, though. 1 hour highs are being respected. Let's see if we can get some sort of a closure back now below. on this 15-minute, and that will be establishing that 1 hour top wick. And then if we break previous lows, I think we're good money, right, to continue on down.
Oh, yeah.
We've got no news in our way here at 8:30 at all today. So, yeah. Hero of the day. GJ going up. Up and away. Yeah, we did break the 30 highs. That's why I'm not so fired up about a 30-minute celery unless we can close bearish back below support. If we can close bearish back below that support, then break those lows, I think you have a high chance of coming down to 1928. But I want to wait and I want to see if we can get that. Funded trader, you got to get 10% to pass. Nah, I think it's 8%. Yeah, I think it's
8%.
Yes, sir. Four doesn't have a top wick. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. That's why we were looking to see if we could potentially get fake outs up here, right? Because this up here is the 4 hour, right? This candle here, that's the first candle of the 4 hour. So if we can kind of poke our head up and give the 4 hour a top wick and then come down, that would be lovely, right? But we'll see what happens here. All right, then we could take ourselves coming down, but we'll see. Just wait on it. GJ going up on a Tuesday. Too big of a bottom wick. Previous candle for a pack runner. Which one? Which one, brother? Yeah. See, what makes me think too is that we broke the lows and closed bullish, right? And those are the lows that we see sometimes that break before price starts heading up for the NY Open. But like I said, I think the next step here is just waiting for a 15 closure. Yeah. So some of you guys seen I purchased a new 400K account. So Hero of the Day said TFT has a 15% discount, 90% payouts for their life and all that good stuff. So I actually went and grabbed a refund on that other account, and then I purchased this new one last night. So that way I have the 90% profit splits.
Yes, fire. Had to jump on that deal.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so what I'm just hoping is that they don't do some stupid stuff, right, and freeze everything, and now I'm stuck with my waiting for my refund and no account here, and like, yo, what?
Hey, we all gonna find out.
I'm like, come on, man.
We gonna find out.
Come on, baby. Oh, Yanosh. Let me get you all set up here while we wait. Not even 500 likes. What?
Sleeping.
That's why I went with a smaller account. I don't trust any of them.
Really?
Leave a like. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. All right, perfect. Let's see here. What's the discount code? I think it's TFT Labor Day. They extended. They happen to extend it too, by the way.
Put it in all caps. TFT Labor Day.
I'm doing smaller accounts with different companies. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna just do one account, gang. Just straight up. I'm gonna do this 400K account and get this done. And then if they're willing to combine another 200K, then I'd be willing to probably run up 200K and have the max with them, like 600K, and only if they could do it in one account though. Hey, yo, Future FX in the building.
FX.
Standard or Royal? I did Royal. Royal.
Good, Sandman. How we doing?
Hey, yo, Sandman's in the building. All right, 15 closure coming up in 6 minutes. How much does it cost for you to take the 400K? It's about $1,800. Hey, Yanosh, what's your name on Discord? How much is gold spreads on the funded trader? It's not too bad. Right now it's 1 pip. 1.2. Oh, look at this. Gold coming back down too. Lovely. We never broke the daily highs. Let's just wait on the 15 here. And then we should be good to go. What prop firm am I using? I'm using the funded trader. You're a guy or girl. Can't stop, won't stop. Where would I place stops now? I would place them, let's see. So probably, yeah, same spot as earlier. They're going to be above the, well, we're probably going to take it off the break of the lows here. So I would say same spot, right above the previous candle high. We'll look to take our buys up there. I mean, we'll look to keep our stops above there. But looking good, looking good. So let's see how this 15 closes, gang, and we'll let it rip.
We got clean traffic coming down.
Clean.
Facts.
Yeah, previous 1 hour high, yep. So that is about 20 pips away. So I think that's pretty clean. We could use we probably could enter on the break of these lows here. But if we do enter here, this is what it looks like on the 30-minute. So if we enter on the break of the previous 1 hour lows, we'll be breaking this low here. So I think that's going to be the best entry. Excuse me. Especially if it's only a 5 pip difference. I'd rather let those 5 pips go and take advantage of the break of the lows there. You're gonna buy on pound yen? Nice. Oh, nice. The Knights challenge. 820 coming. Yup, 820's coming. That's why we're gonna have entries potentially here in 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Yeah, love me some 820.
Love me some 820. So yeah. Yeah, let's see, let's see. Entered. No. Yeah, what is this? It's like 1932. Yeah, like 1932 100 or something like that. Can the 15 close below again? That's what we want to see here. We want to see this 15 close below this level here. I'm using 40 lots. 40 lots. All right, 1 minute. One minute. Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. So yeah, 4 hours still never came up to create that wick. We also have some sort of a 4 hour resistance here as well. So I would really, really like to see that 4 hour get a top wick there. But we're gonna listen to price action regardless and see what we got. 28 seconds. Ever get 100 pips on 40 lots? No, not yet. So we got 8 seconds here. All right, so we closed above, closed below here, closed above here. Just not the hottest closure here at all. So yeah, we're gonna continue to wait. The only time frame that looks pretty clean is the 1 hour, right? The 1 hour had closed below. There is a top wick. It failed to break the high, but you know, we're in a very choppy range right here, and it's gonna be tough to you know, take positions there. So yeah, 30 minute, remember 30 minute is bearish, I mean bullish. We broke the highs too. I know we don't have a bottom wick here in the 30, so the sells will make sense, right? If you kind of tie everything to the 1 hour, but it's just a bit sketchy. There's a lot of red flags here. No top wick on the 4 hour. 1 hour looks cleanest, right? The cleanest. 30 minute close bullish. It broke the highs. 15 minute close back above the range. Not looking the greatest here. So if this thing drives, it drives. It's no worries on my end. I think we're gonna sit tight and wait here. Hey, what's your thoughts on new trader only risking 0.25% or 0.5% per trade to build buffer? I don't really like that idea. I actually tried that idea, and maybe it'll work better now with no time limit. But I remember trying that, but there was a time limit, so I mean that could be different now. If you just, you know, take your time with it, I don't see why it would be a bad thing. So yeah, get comfortable there and then work your way up as you go. Oh, cool. Cool. Where's your entry? I don't have an entry. Always appreciate your feedback. Oh, yeah, no problem, man. No problem. Yeah, like I said, I think it might be better now with no time limit on the accounts. But when I did it with a time limit, it was gonna take way too long. Way too long. So, but again, now you have 0 time limit. So take your time with it, and like I said, adjust as you go, and increase as you move along.
I remember doing that.
Yeah, remember that?
Yep.
Yeah, we did it. We did it for a little bit, but it just didn't seem fit for us.
I mean, I could see like not having a time, now.
Yeah.
It could be a little bit better, but that's just something for you to experiment with. Yeah, you got comics open. You should see a push. Who's in the chat?
Hey, did I tell you
Can't
how many
discount.
freaking funding companies hit me up, by the way? Bro, I've had a bunch of companies hit me up. Yo, I can't even imagine how many, like, the big guys are getting, but they're like, yo, can you help us out? We love your live stream. I'm like, what? No, definitely not right now. Stay away.
Wow, the wind works.
Stay away. Oh yeah, that wasn't that. That's like I said. If this thing drives, it drives. I don't care, right? I don't care if this thing looks like this. I will wait. I will wait.
Zero FOMO.
Let's wait for the people to get back from the bathroom. Hold on. Let's put it like this. So when they get back or when they look up. Turn my magic key sound on.
They hear my magic keys. Like
Beautiful trade, everyone. Way to go. Closing partials here at 190 pips. And that's going to be a good one. On to the next trade. Something light.
Hey, see
Something
you guys
small.
tomorrow.
Peace,
Hope you
y'all.
guys have a great one. Glory to the
Hope you guys
Father.
enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed, sure. That's done.
Yeah.
Chat spam and W's. They're gonna have a heart attack, man. Just missed 1,000 pip. Biggest trade call on the live stream. Congratulations, everyone. People are like, huh? Wait, what?
200 pips in 20 seconds, something light.
Biggest trade of the year.
Oh, that's funny. See y'all tomorrow. All right. This is good, though. This is good. Glory to the Father. Yeah, 15-minute
Sir,
blast.
Sir, my broker
all
doesn't
good.
show it. Manipulate.
Oh, man.
Shown.
Yeah. It's still looking real good.
Do, 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 do. That'd be a beast of a trade, yeah. Yeah, but that's the thing, right? Like, once I didn't get the closure I was looking for, now it's whatever, right? Like, if this thing drives to 1917, oh well, right? We can't settle for things outside of our playbook. Now, again, the 1 hour did look very clean. I do agree, but want to see some other things line up, especially when we had all those red flags, right? With the 4 hour no top wick, 30-minute closing bullish, breaking the highs, right? 15-minute, closing bullish above. So better to stay out unless that setup is really sticking out to you. It will be funny if it happens. I'll eat my hat. Hey, if it happens, guess what? We can just come back tomorrow and trade again.
Pass
wanna
your
be
MFF
comfortable.
with that?
I love that.
Wanna be
Good trade,
comfortable
Nick.
with trades.
Just passed my MFF challenge and got a payout.
John says you want to be comfortable in your trades.
Yeah,
Sure.
you do. Yeah. So
We kept cutting him off. Sorry, John.
All good, bro.
free John.
Hey, John.
Oh, G.
we got Andrew Tate in the chat.
Top G Tate.
Welcome.
My electricity bills are paid.
Just made that. Just made my rent.
Yeah, you should see a drive here. Got a lot of volume.
And it was wild.
Hero of the day. That's crazy. Dude's taking a jet ski across the Atlantic. He said, "Bring out the whole ocean."
Bottom G. Hey, never heard that one before. I'm a bottom G. What was this? This was a decent range, right? 19-20 pips? Yeah. Yo. How do you recognize the onion play? You wait for, if you got price moving down. So let's say you got price let's say you're bullish on the day, right? And price moved up very nicely, right? You got candles moving up. And then they start coming down, right? They start moving bearish, creating a resistance. So all the onion play is a support. So you're just looking for a support to be formed like this. And then this is your onion play, right? So this is now, we're going to take buys to go back up, right? To continue with that trend. So all it is just kind of waiting for a support to be formed, recognizing that support, and then taking your positions on a break of the highs there. That's all. Vice versa. the other way.
Hey, I'm liking this. Grade 30.
GJ did the same thing. Yeah, exactly. There you go. So that's an onion play right there, where price is moving up and then comes down, creates support, and then you could take your buys going up. Yeah, and I believe we are bullish. Yeah, we are bullish on pound yen here today.
We're always bullish on pound yen.
We've been bullish all year on pound yen. Not taking a trade in a day because the setup isn't right almost feels like a win sometimes. It is because, you know, we used to talk about this a lot, but it's what we got a chance to do there was just exercise our discipline muscle, right? So it looked okay, but we don't jump on positions that look okay, right? We're master negotiators here, and there's a price that we want, there's closures that we want, and a way we want price to look, right? So if all the criteria is met, then yes, we go ahead and jump on that position. But if there's a few things off, it's best to stay out, because number one, you get to exercise that discipline muscle. So for those of you who are trying to become more disciplined in your trading, well, that's what's going to help you. It's seeing that move and understanding that it could definitely go down, right? What did I say? You know, we're definitely looking like we could go down here, especially with the 1 hour close, but some things aren't lining up, right? So that's an opportunity for you now to sit on your hands and practice what professional traders do. And professional traders are disciplined when things don't line up exactly with their criteria, right? Or their, you know, when all the boxes can't get checked, they stay out of that, right? And you have to live with the fact that this thing could drive, right? Like I drew out, I know I was joking, but you know, I'm so serious about that. Like if things don't line up with exactly what I want, well, if this candle drives all the way down, I can care less. I can care less because it wasn't my move to take, right? So you have specific moves to take in the market. You want things to line up. If they do, great, let it rip, pull the trigger, get into that position. But if they don't, if there's certain boxes that aren't checked, then that's your opportunity to be disciplined and exercise that discipline muscle. And what happens when you exercise what happens when you exercise a muscle? It gets stronger, right? It gets stronger and stronger. And sometimes it sucks because it's got to tear first, right? So when you see the candle driving down, right, it may suck a little bit, but just understand you're building that discipline muscle. So.
Yes, sir. Successful trader is one that follows their plan. That's it.
Third.
Yep. Yeah, I've studied a lot of professional stock traders, guys that trade in the stock market for years and years and years, right? Longer than I've been alive. And, you know, all those guys will tell you that's how you are going to live another day. That's how you're going to be able to trade long term in this game and, you know, provide a lifestyle is really by, you know, being disciplined and sticking to the plan that you have set out. Yeah, and if it was your plan to take the trade, then that's your plan, right? So you gotta be disciplined to get in just as much as you have to be disciplined to get out, to stay out. Pack runner on the 30-minute. Yeah. So again, but you have to realize what sample sizing is, right? Sample sizing is not just watching something once or twice, right? Sample sizing is watching something over and over and over again and having the patience to be in that growing process, that learning the move, right? So I already know this. I've already made a mental note that the candle broke the high again here at 8 a.m. And that just goes in my arsenal, right? That just goes in my pocket now, and another opportunity to see that play happen again and again and again, right? So, you know, you don't really want to act on certain things until you've got some sample size data. You know, otherwise you're kind of guessing, right? You know, it usually looks good, but the more we can see this happen, the more confidence we can build in taking it, right? And as we gain more confidence, you'll see us start to take this position more and more at 8 a.m. So I did see that. I understand, you know, what happened there, and that's a good sign, right? Good sign. Why'd you mark 1928? There's a resistance here. There's a zone right here. All right, this whole, you see all these rejections? All these rejections. Zone, resistance. All right, that's your average medium area there. All right, all these 1 hour rejections coming in here. So that's a point where price can wick down into, like it is right now, and then start pulling up. So yeah, but clean 20 pips off the 1 hour time frame. Nice. 4 hour packy? Yeah, possibly. All right, so it's what time is it? It's we're cruising into the last 15 here of the 4 hour time frame. So, or 4 hour candle. So we'll see if we can get a pullback here, and there should be plenty of room to go. Didn't really follow the playbook, won't lie, but did gain a small 20 pips. Very nice. Very nice. If you're only looking at the 1 hour time frame there, then pretty clean. Pretty clean. Can you quickly show Magic Keys properties? Yeah. You want to see something specific or? Oh, you're welcome. Gotcha. Yeah, so the idea was there, 100%, right? But certain things didn't line up. So we'll wait and we'll sit tight and we'll see what else we got here today.
Got lots of session left.
Yes, sir. Getting a haircut today. Me and Maverick.
Hey.
Me and Maverick's first
Let's
haircut
go.
today. We about to roll to the barbershop. Get chopped up by our boy Logan.
What's Maverick gonna get?
My boy gonna be a stud.
Maverick gonna get a little trim up. He's gonna get trimmed
trim?
up today. We're gonna
Cut the
tighten him
edges
up.
off.
Yeah, he gonna tighten up.
Nice.
Hey, we got MT5 opening up somewhere.
Dude, it's me, bro.
It's me. What's the spread on 8 cap right now? Let's take a look. 1 pip, 1.2, same as before.
Always 1 pip.
Yeah, spreads ain't bad, man. Spreads ain't bad. Very, very, very happy with the spreads over MFF spreads, man. Yeah. Honestly, yeah, Alexandru's right. I think most of you probably got BE, right? Anyway, because this thing was like whipsawing.
That was wild. A little bit.
Candle was quaking. Squaking. Did you move to the funded trader?
Some of you guys were like up 13 pips and went negative like 1 in a second. That's how that candle was moving.
Yeah, I would have, I 100% would have hit break even there, right? I wasn't closing anything till this white line, so I would have hit break even.
Yeah, me too. All that clean traffic coming down.
Yeah, I was not gonna close anything. If anything, I wanted to just go BE and would have got tapped. Any thoughts on bespoke funding? The only thoughts I have on them is my buddy uses them. He said they're pretty good. He's gotten payouts. So yeah, I really haven't heard anything bad about them. What prop firm did I use? I use the funded trader. Never trust the first 15. Yep. That first 15 go crazy. TK. You guys think I'm like the prop firm like wizard.
God.
I've only used 3 prop firms, so I really don't know much about the rest of them. I'm not the prop firm whisperer, trust me. That's why all the other prop firms you guys ask me about, I'm like, I don't know, right? I can't even give you an opinion. I couldn't even give you a I have a friend I have a friend that's such a good trader that this dude just basically signs up for prop firms, goes through phase 1, phase 2, and payouts just to see how their system works. And one of the companies he was with was Bespoke, so yeah, he said that they were really good. How do you feel about losing your My Forex Funds account? I feel great, man, because now I could just trade this 400K account and get funded with them and quadruple my income. So I'm feeling pumped up.
Hey, you guys see that? Did you catch that from Nick? Did you catch that? Saw what he did?
You miss it?
He immediately thought of a positive thought. Thought of a positive. He just gave himself a positive environment, positive situation, right? He made the positive. He made the best out of the situation. Hopefully y'all caught that.
Mr. V Trades.
Yeah, like we were saying yesterday, like what are you gonna do? Freeze up, be a deer in the headlights? Just freeze up, not do anything? You just gotta keep moving,
Right.
baby.
Yeah.
Keep on pushing.
Yeah.
Nothing's stopping you except yourself, right?
Yep. Yeah, no, I'm genuinely not upset at all, right? Just now I'm going to focus on this account, get myself funded here and document it. And because I never really got to document like my other journeys, right? So can document this one. It'll be fun. It'll be a good time. And again, quadruple my income. What up, Gino Banks in the building? What up, Gino? Shout out to Gino, because Gino made the connection with me and Calvin, and we're about to drop that podcast here pretty soon. We've already recorded it. It's already done. So, Gino, shout out to you, bro, for putting that together, man.
Gino.
W
Hey,
for
what's up,
Gino.
Oops.
Volume still on holiday.
Hey, Michael, think of the positive, brother. You just passed the challenge.
Yeah.
You could trade.
Facts.
Exactly.
Trade.
You pass
You
phase
can go-
1, do it again.
Yeah, bro. You can go get another account and pass again.
Yeah,
You got that. A lot of things to look up to.
Oh, yeah. Which funded account is best? Which program you suggest on the funded trader? What do you mean? Is that like Royal Standard or Royal Rapid, or I went with the Royal. I went with Royal, ACAP, and Standard. Yeah, keep your head up, bro, because you got the skill, and no one can take the skill from you, right? They could take an account from you, right? They can take that, but they can't take your skill, and that's what I really mean by coming in here and learning the skill set, right? Not just trying to, you know, come in here and make money. Yeah, that's great. We're gonna make money, but the most important thing is that you learn the skill, because once you have that, no one can stop you, right? You'll always figure out a better way, a different way, right? Always find a solution, and you can take that skill now and you know, go ahead and do whatever you want with it. So as long as you're developing that skill, bro, amazing. Just keep your head up and go get back on the horse and give it another go.
Yeah, absolutely. Focus on the things that you can control, right?
We're gonna get this top weight. This is beautiful. What did I say about the last 15 of the 4 hour? We are starting to move up, and then we should now poke our head up here. So if we can get that, you see how we got the top wick for the 15? If we can get the top wick for the 4 hour here, that would be mwah, just perfect. Just
Beautiful.
perfect.
Gorgeous.
And even if we don't come up and flip bullish, if the candle closes similar to this, and then the next 4 hour, right, pops up and gives us that top wick, then we can come down very nicely, I believe. Oh, that looks stupid. Sorry. All right, top wick, and then we can come down. Just wait on it. Or we can make it now. There it is. And there is our 4 hour top wick. And what did it tap into? 1928.025. Right on the decimal, gang. Right on the money. Funny how that works, right? Funny how we see that happen over and over and over. And, you know, that's what you get when you sit here and trade gold for 3 years straight every day. That's what you get, right? You get precise predictions. Right on the money.
Oh, yeah.
How'd gold just do that? Because gold is gold. That brother starving.
Who was still in cells? Chat, were you guys still in cells?
Jump gold.
Yeah, that's all we knew. We needed a top wick.
Yep.
That was it.
And that's why I didn't get into sells, right? Because listen, gang, although it did happen down here, that could have happened here. It 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 could have flipped and turned around whenever, right? So if things aren't lining up, those are red flags that something could stop price. Right now, in our case today, it came down. It did tap into the zone that we were looking at, but notice how it came all the way back up now to create that top wick. So, and that could have happened anywhere.
Yeah, that's why you should set a stop loss on each trade too.
Yeah, there goes your 4 hour, 1 hour flying.
You can get crazy.
Lovely. Look at this. Look at this. 15-minute open. Last 15 of the 4 hour candle. We've come down. We've created a little bit of a top wick there. So let's see how the 15 closes, and we'll be ready on the next 4 hour candle here in about 13 minutes. Some of you guys haven't lost 80K in the markets before watching Nick. Oh, amazing work from God right here. Hey, Alexandru. Shout out to you, bro. That's why you follow the playbook. Yep. Thanks for the wisdom, Nick. Just lost my car. Oh, well, at least now you have some wisdom to go figure out another way to get a new car. The boomerang here. Yeah, disturbed, but the issue is I don't want to take buys. Right? I don't want these buys. So no matter what it is on what time frame, the buys aren't for me. Right? So I wouldn't take them. Now there is a move here if you can find it, but that move isn't for me. Right? I've already been through all that, and it's just not something that works for me, right? So that's why I stick with the 30-minute, 15, 30-minute, 1 hour. I wouldn't take these buys anyway. Yeah, buys, the only buys I'm taking today are probably going to be above 1938. Yeah, now let's see how the 4 hour can close here. That's kind of like what we need to see now.
Reason for reversal of candle? Yeah, we had to make a 4 hour top wick. That's what I would say. That's why I press pull back that far.
Yeah, what I want to see now is I want to see the new 4 hour kind of create a top wick and then drive down to fill this wick, break the lows, and come down. Like, that's the move that I want.
That looks like money.
You know, and if we get it, we get it. If not, we don't.
Yeah, that looks like money. As long as we close bearish.
Yup.
Wait 10 more minutes, gang.
Yeah, and if we can get the pack runner, even better.
Even better, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir, nasty.
Yeah, 4 hour pack runner. Yeah, that's a possibility we could see here coming down now. Please don't spam. Can you please explain the pack runner? Yeah, so the pack runner is a play where, like in the 4 hour, in the case of the 4 hour right now, you have a very little to almost no top wick, right? So you have something like this. You have you have this candle, right? You have the body, you have the bottom wick, but very little top wick, right? Very little top wick here. So what we're looking at is the pack runner is a play where price will come up, create that top wick, right? Break this high here, and then reflip and go ahead and get a lot of volume to fill the wick, right? And then continue down. So that's something that we may be able to see here on the 4 hour time frame, right? A wick up and then a wick to fill. But we'll see on the closure here, right? We got to wait for this candle to close, and that's going to happen in 9 minutes. Hey, hey Rita. She said, "Hey, Nightbot." Yeah, Nightbot is a legit person. Do you ever take trades? Are you ever gonna get funded? Getting funded? I want to see you back strong, bro, with a new name that says "got funded." I want to see it. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you.
Upgrade, Tom.
I believe in you. I got slipped to my advantage for the first time ever. Oh, nice. I'm funded. Well, then you got to change your name, dude. It says getting funded.
Thanks.
Yo, you're funded. Okay, okay, okay. How many times are you gonna blow it? You're taking too many trades. Just joined already on a positive today. Oh, nice. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Good.
Hopefully you're not funded with MFF like I was. Yeah, so look at this. Now we're moving bullish here, ladies and gents. Moving bullish back up. Very interesting. Yeah, last 15 pushing up here. Let's see what happens. Did we create a steeper top wick? Yeah, much steeper top wick. Now we have a 4-hour top wick, ladies and gents. So if we can actually close bearish, that would be lovely. That'd be beautiful.
John, what's the weather looking like in up there today, bro? And you, Nick. I
Right.
wanna know. It's supposed to be 92 here today.
We're at 76 right now, it says, and it's sunny. And looking outside, it's sunny as well. So looks pretty nice.
Beautiful, yeah. What is it here? Right now it's... Come on, load, bro. 72.
It sounds like it's nice and cool right now.
Yeah, it ain't too
Yeah,
bad.
I was saying
don't think
earlier
there's any
that
cloud cover, but
the weather is just getting perfect here in Florida now.
Oh, what is it down there?
Huh?
What is it down there right now?
I'm not sure, but when I was out there earlier, it was freaking beautiful. Right now, it's 74.
that ain't bad.
Yeah, when I come back,
74.
Yeah, it's not bad.
We're
That's
going
about
to
what it is here.
yeah, we're going to
same.
90 today. Big penthouse.
Yeah, same. That's what I'm saying. Remember when we were talking about that like months back? I was like, Pennsylvania has like 12 seasons, and like the one right after summer is like hell's front porch.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I love the fall, man. I love the fall in the Northeast.
Nah, for real.
Beautiful.
Right, me too. I think that's probably my favorite season. I mean, I love summer, but I think you get to wear more in the fall. There's like a little bit more like stuff going on, like I guess like community things. I guess I don't know.
Right. Yeah, it's not like fall weather.
Yeah. All right, 4 minutes. Can we close bearish? We got what we wanted here, right? We got a top wick. That's exactly what we wanted. We weren't gonna budge on these buys because we understood what was happening, right? We understood that we needed a top wick on the 4-hour, and now if we do close bearish, then we may get some sort of a wick fill here on the 4-hour time frame. So what we want to see is we want to see a closure below, or we want to see a closure above right now, and then we get our fake out. All right, we get our fake out right in this area here, and then we can look to take our sells once we get that onion play off of like the 15-minute, 30-minute. So just wait on it. It's 72 in Kentucky. Oh, nice. Never been to Kentucky.
Beautiful.
Never been to Kentucky.
Yeah, me either. I feel like it's like Tennessee though.
Lovely. Lovely. Lovely.
DK says they got them bugs, bro. What do you mean? They got them bugs?
Florida got the bugs, man.
I don't want to talk about it.
What are we talking about?
Okay.
Which bugs?
Bro, what are those? They look like Cockroaches, bro. The ones Anna
The fried
Anna
chicken
always.
in Kentucky. Oh yeah, how's the fried chicken in Kentucky?
I'm sure amazing.
What kind of bugs in Florida? You say massive ones.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
they got.
They probably be
Big.
like sucking the blood out of alligators and all that. And bro.
yo, probably, bro. Honestly.
I forget what these bugs are called, but they're like these big, water bug or water bugs or something. I don't know.
I think
Oh,
I know
they're
what you're
huge.
talking about.
Bro,
We got
fried
a
chicken here is great.
what are they called? Lantern flies, bro. For whatever reason, they just
Well,
are
lightning
swarming
bugs.
here now. Nah, they're called lantern bugs or lantern
Oh.
flies. Like they're like they just eat everything,
Mm.
destroy every crop. It's like if you
Damn.
find them, you're supposed to call like the EPA. I ain't calling nobody, bro. I smash them.
Yeah.
Who you gonna call? Sam Capital.
Yeah, like
That's what I'm calling.
What are they gonna do?
Right.
Yo, yeah, those nasty fat water bugs. Yeah, gross.
Yo, water bugs, Scott. That's what they are.
All right. No more bug talk. No more bug talk.
All
All
right,
the
someone's
ladies
eating
in here are
breakfast
like,
right now.
Sam, you got a bear prom? Send me daddy.
Sam gonna pull up with some dolphin milk and his weapon to take care of this bear. His bare
Yeah,
hands.
my bare knuckles. Yeah.
What a night.
Some of y'all
Dream
don't.
pocket.
Some of y'all don't get that joke. You guys aren't getting that
Bro, I
one because you ain't been here since day one. Oh, this is great. If we can get a fake out here, that'd be awesome, man. Awesome. What do we have? 51 seconds. So look, if the 15-minute close is above here, I want to see the next 15 close below, like this, and then I think we could see a nice push to the downside. All right. We also have NYSE coming up. So if we are going to go back down, it's probably going to happen around 9:15, 9:30, and we'll be there, right? We'll be there for the move. So let's see what happens here over the next 25 seconds on this candle closure, and take it from there. The one thing is if the 4-hour closes above, then that means, or if the 30-minute does close above or 15, that means the 4-hour closes bullish. So that's a little loop there for us.
You want to make a UFC for traders in Romania? You're all invited. Nick, the president, and all the mods and managers. Let's go,
Yeah.
baby.
That's probably like an
Hold on.
underground friggin'. I could just imagine what that looks like down there. Where? Romania?
Romania.
Oh yeah, man. That's lethal.
Oh
right
wow.
there.
Someone asked me yesterday if I did MMA in the chat. I'm like, nope.
Celebrity deathmatch. All right. So listen, everything here closed bullish, right? Everything closed bullish. The daily candle is pulling back here as well. 4-hour closed bullish, 1-hour closed bullish, 30-minute closed bullish, 15-minute closed bullish. So right now we are pretty bullish, right? Now let's see if we can break the high. Then we may switch our buys up, right, to potentially taking buys above 35 here. But let's just wait on this. And I still think the buys are cleanest above 38. But let's see what happens with these new candles and, you know, what goes on over the next 15 minutes here. Actually, KFC once every 2 days. Oh, wow. That's why you're swole, bro. That's why you look like The Rock. Dude's eating that chicken. Always waiting for candles to close here. And don't take any trades. Yes, we are always waiting for candles to close here. And I don't know. I think our record says 86 wins, 25 losses, 9 break-evens. The trades are there, man. You mean we're not forcing any trades. That's what you mean. And yeah, you're right about that. We are not forcing trades. But go ahead, man. What are you doing right now? Buy, sell, talk to us. Give us some insight. Give us a trade so we can all take it with you. Oh, gone. Dun, dun, dun. All right, lovely. Oh. Buy's gonna break the 4-hour highs, but I got a feeling it will fake me out. Yeah, the only way I'm taking it is if we get some sort of closures above maybe 35. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Because that's us breaking the 4-hour high, and if we're breaking the 4-hour highs and closing above 35, then I think there's a high chance that we will continue up to 38 here. So let's again, I'm gonna wait for the 15 closure here, and then I'm gonna go from there. Please do share. Yeah, because the same thing happened recently, right? Where the 4-hour broke the highs and then price just came back down, right? So we want to make sure we see closures on the 15 or the 30 before we end up, you know, just taking a buy. That brother stalled. Be careful with 35. Yeah, 35 is a maybe. It's a maybe. 38's much better because if we break above 38, we're breaking the daily candle high here, right? And if we're breaking that daily candle high, then, you know, there's a high chance we'll continue up. So we'll see about 35 possibility, but 38 seems a little bit better. Right? Because we're looking for fake outs, right? We're looking for fake outs here. Right, we're also looking for fake outs here. So if we can get those, that'd be lovely. And if we do get our buys, then, you know, we'll look to take our buys coming up to here, move stops to break even right around here, and just enjoy that range from 38 to 44 there. That's all. If we get some sort of a fake out right here, then we could look to potentially take our sells coming down. So those are my plans here. That's what I'm looking at. Just waiting for candles to close. Let's do the 69 minutes. GJ just moving on up. Moving on up like the Jeffersons, baby. Can you explain pips on gold? Oh, there we go. TK's there for you. TK's there. He said 1 pip equals 0.1. Well, this is what it is, right? Like, so let's measure this. Hold on. Let's measure this bullish candle right here, right? So if we're measuring it and we see right up top here, right, it says 626.7. So forget about these last two numbers. This is going to be 62 pips on gold, right? So just pay attention to the first two numbers there, right? Leave that one and leave that one, and that's what you got. So you got 62 pips on that gold candle right there. So don't worry about the other two numbers there. Just make it easy and just calculate it like that. Sheesh. Round it off. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Okay, 7 minutes for a closure. That was good. Hey, my chat's frozen right now.
Chat
Zero
said, just wait on
strategy.
it. Just wait on it. My
Chat
frozen
said Nick's
chat.
gone. No one said anything.
My frozen chat. Guys, take a look at my frozen chat. Lovely. Zero strategy. All right, look at this. Moving down here on the 15. Which account did I get from the Funded Trader? Royal. Are you in a trade already? No. My big brother, tell me about US oil. It's a bit expensive currently, but making its way down, it seems like. I think I'm going to use my live account as the lead account for my copy trader. What do you guys do in your copy trader? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm sure people do all different. I mean, I was using my live account. Right, you guys see me using my live account with the challenge count on the back end, so yeah, I don't see why not. My frozen brain. Thoughts on GBP NZD? Oh, that you have to ask Green. You gotta ask Green his thoughts on that pair. That's more of his department.
Greenery likes GBP NZD. Oh.
What's your age? I don't have one.
There is no age.
I don't know. I don't know what my age is. I don't know if someone lied to me, right? So I have no age.
Facts, yo.
What age
Someone
you got?
said-
No age. No strategy.
Could be lying. Trust issues.
Yeah, someone just randomly told me I was born on this day. I call their mom, but I'm not too sure, right? So I don't really have an age at this point.
Yo, who really knows, bro? Who really knows?
I just turned 18.
Hey, happy birthday.
No age. Oh, Green said GBP NZD is retired, so sorry.
We're trans aged here.
Okay?
Yeah, what?
What?
Trans age.
Who? Who?
What the heck?
Who? You're not that guy anymore.
It's a joke, bro. It's a joke, bro. It's a joke.
Okay. Nah, I was a little lost.
Hey, look it. We got a loyal one there. It said 0505. They know. Disturbed. What age do you identify as? 0505. Let's go. See, that's a real one. That's a real one. Pushing. Dinosaurs. Another interesting topic.
DK. Another lie.
I just have purchased Magic Key. Oh, 50K account. I don't have Magic Keys, but their trading tool is on. Oh, they have their own trading tool? Oh, I didn't know that. How did you know gold will come down?
Secret.
Oh, secret. Yo, I never heard that one. How do you call somebody with no body and nose? Nobody knows.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stupid. Never heard that one before. That's a good one. Nobody knows.
Playing. Stop playing.
All right. We got a 15 closure coming up here in 1 moment. So we are pushing down. You know, everything is still being respected though, right? The lows and the 4-hour lows, the 15 lows that broke, 30-minute lows are there. 1-hour lows are coming up. So let's see how this 15-minute candle closes, and then we'll take it from there. Finally adapting to the dad jokes.
Yeah, that's funny. What are you trying to say, Landon? You calling him old? What you trying to say? Drewski say, oh, we gotta get that in the soundboard. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
What you mean? What you mean? Why the chicken crossed the road? How come? All right, let's see how this 15. So 15 minutes closing here in 8 seconds. There's a little bit of a support right here. So let's see if we can close below that. If not, we'll wait on the 30. We'll wait for the NYSE open here and get some volume, and then yeah, take it from there. Looks like we closed right at support there. Yeah, you have the support right here. So we don't want to jump on these right here, because remember, this could be the 4-hour bottom wick for price to now continue on up, right? So there's something throwing us off here on price action, right? And that's this 4-hour closure above the range here. So we don't want to jump right on these 15-minute sells, especially with us closing right at support like that. So on to the 30-minute. Gold thinks it's Monday. So you waited for candles to close and did not take this sell now. Correct. Correct. Yeah, because we closed right at the support level, right? And we're bullish on the 4-hour. We're bullish on the 1-hour. We're bullish on the 30-minute. And we closed right at support on the 15. So not the best place to take a sell, right? If it drives, it drives, right? But not the greatest place to take sells. This could be the bottom wick now for price to continue up. So that's my mindset. That's my thought process about, you know, assessing the situation on what's going on right here, right? Can it drive? Of course, right? Of course it can drive right now. We have more volume coming in at 9:30 as well. So I think if this candle would have closed below, then I would have been interested to get ahead of the volume. But for now, we'll sit tight and wait for another candle to close. And that's how it goes sometimes.
And tight.
Stay tight. Stay tight. Did it at the top? Did what at the top? Yeah, you have a different strategy than me. we don't have the same strategy, bro. Try not to think. You guys got to understand, traders all have different strategies, right? Not everyone's looking at the same thing I'm looking at, and I accept that. I don't care, you know. If I'm taking positions on and I'm hanging out on someone's stream, I'm just taking my positions, right? I'm not really worried about what they're doing, right? I'll look at it and consider it, and you know, if I like it, I'll take it. If not, I'll just keep doing my own thing. So did you just assume?
I want to see my strategy.
Oh, nice. My sister works at Disney World in Orlando. Oh yeah, let's do it, Landon. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Landon, let me know.
Maybe next month.
Let's go.
Yeah, there you go. Bro, how could you stay this long without getting into a trade, man? Appreciate you. I need your patience. Patience has helped me do this full time, right? So there's nothing anyone could really say that's going to switch up my thought process on my system and my strategy, right? I've been able to do very well for myself, right? Just running the playbook. So, you know, if that's your position, great, right? I would have loved to take, don't get me wrong, I would have loved to take sells up here, right? Who wouldn't? But I didn't get any closure that I'm looking for, right? I didn't get any familiar price action that keeps me a winner in the markets. So that's why I didn't get in, right? But maybe someone else seen something differently, right? If this candle would have closed right here and did something like this, closed there, then absolutely, right? I would have been looking for a top wick and get in and fill this whole range down here. But that didn't happen for me, right? So I just stick to what works. I stick to what keeps me profitable in the game. And
The
that's
playbook's going to tell us what to do.
Yeah, and
Right?
that
The playbook's going to guide us.
definitely, and that's a big struggle for a lot of traders, and that's probably something good to talk about, is that, you know, you don't see something on your strategy, so you go to another one, right? And that's the problem with people trying to find long-term success in the game, is they can't do it because they stick with one strategy until it, you know, gives them a couple losses, and then they go to another one, and, you know, then they go to another one and another one. Meanwhile, you could just stick with one and let the probabilities play out, you know, over the months and over the weeks and the years, right? And you'll be chilling. Trust me. But that's what you want. You want to get honed in on a strategy. Now, it's okay to, you know, look at some strategy and say, you know what, I'm not feeling that one, right? It doesn't work for me. It doesn't fit my style of learning or the way I want to trade. Okay, then you can go. But if you're just leaving a certain playbook or strategy because you took a couple losses, that's a sign of a losing trader, right? And I'm not calling you a loser. I'm not calling you a losing trader. I'm saying that those are signs that you may spin the tires a little bit longer, right? This may be a little bit of a revolving door for you until you really can hone in and get that strategy right. So it doesn't have to be this playbook, right? I know everyone doesn't, you know, learn the way I learn and view the markets the way I view them, but I'm going to stick to what I like, right? What I know best, because I've dabbled already through that season and figured out what I like and figured out what works for me. So that's your job as a trader, is to really kind of figure out what works for you. And damn, man, just stick to it. Just stick to it. Trust me. I've got a little bit more skin in the game than you, a little bit more time in the markets, a little bit more consistency. And I know that if you just stick to a winning strategy, it'll work out.
Yeah, I've said this before, right? It's the strategy plus the mental skills that will equal the long-term success. If you're a basketball player, Mark Douglas told me this, or I've got this from Mark Douglas, but if you're a basketball player and you're shooting and you're practicing shooting basketballs with no one watching, you know, of course you could hit 10 shots, you can get on a streak of hitting 15, 20, you know, be a really good shooter, and then now 1 second left, you're down by 1 point and you're at the foul line, right? The game is on the line, the crowd is watching you. Now that requires mental skills, right? Now you need to be able to block that out and focus on shooting, focus on your shooting form, whatever you got to do, right? But that takes mental skills. Same thing with trading, right? You can win as many trades you want on your demo account, whatever, your fake account. But then once it gets live, once you get into the session, that's going to require some mental skills, right? So it's the strategy plus the mental skills that's going to equal the long-term success. And that's what we come here every day to practice, right? We come here every day to the charts. We focus on following our playbook, which is our strategy. And then we also focus on working out our disciplined patient muscle, which is the mental skills. And that's what's going to get us our long-term success. That's what we come here and focus on every day.
Yes, sir.
Basketball is just an example, like just an example.
Yeah. Mental skills. Oh, nice. My neighborhood's electricity's been off for 4 hours now. They can't stop the kid. They can't stop Bradley.
Oh,
That brother preaching. 1,000 likes for some free money today, gang. If you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. I'm possibly about to give y'all some free money. Some freebies. Mental skills pay the
Patience.
bills. Yeah, they do.
hey, patience and discipline are the secret sauce. That's what makes it, right?
Yeah, 30 looking clean. The win rate is that all-time win rate? Nah, that's just since February. All right, we got a closure in 5 minutes here. 5 minutes for this candle to close. We got NYSE. We got a lot of volume on our side. And, you know, I see a wick fill here. There's two things I see, right? I see a wick fill, and I also see a little bit of consolidation. And guess what happens when volume's in town? We get wick fills, and we blast through consolidation, right? So if we get a candle closure, a bearish candle closure, I'll be looking to have sell stops and keeping stops above the highs and taking this thing down. Now, if we close above, then we're looking at a totally different story here. my frozen entry. Not even half the likes of people. How many people we got here? 15 hundo? 15 hundo. Hey.
Yeah, you don't want to know what happens if we take trades before 1K likes.
Yeah, we need 1,000 likes here ASAP. Yeah, if you guys could like the stream, if you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like today. And if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna do some more giveaways here at 20K subs, so we're creeping on it. Oh, look at this, moving back up. 1 hour moving back up, 4 hour moving back up, and guess what, gang? That's why we don't take sells as support, right? Why not take sells here? That's why, right? That's why, because the 30-minute was bullish, the 1 hour was bullish, the 4 hour was bullish, and that could have been our bottom wick, right? So that's why we didn't take sells there. Now we can continue down, but we can get a better entry here, right? Something much better up top here if we get this 30-minute candle to close below. $700 likes, we're almost there. Can we do it? Can we get there?
Yeah.
Before 9:30? Ooh.
Like it.
Ooh. It's going to be a mission, but I think we can do it. Think we can do it. Yeah, GJ may close above here too. So there's another resistance here. You got to close above there. But if we're looking at gold and GJ, I'm most likely going to be messing with gold here.
Lock it in, chat.
Lock it in.
Lock it in.
All right, let's see. We need a bottom wick and then a top wick, and then we look to enter on the break of the lows here. Got 1 minute. One minute. Yeah, stops are going to be above the 30-minute highs here. So right around like 134.500 are going to be the stops, or 900. I think it's 900. All right, so let's see if we can get a closure. 14 seconds. We need a top wick, and then when we flip or break the lows, looks good to go. Which funded platform would you recommend? The funded trader. All right, so can we get a top wick here? Lovely, chat. There it is. So I'm gonna have sell stops. Oops. Sell stops on the break of the, wait, what's going on here? Algo trading. Sell stops on the break of the lows. All right, lovely. So sell stops here on the break of the lows. I'm gonna be going break even right around this point here, which is gonna be about 19 pips right here, BE. And then maybe close partials there as well, but then close more partials, you know, right down here. So perfect. Lovely, lovely. So that's the trade. So we got 930 here. We should have volume coming in to continue pushing us down after breaking that low and fill that wick to the left-hand side. So that's the trade.
Beautiful. Another trade.
Let me make sure we're good. Yeah, stops are going to be sitting above here. Boom. All right. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Partial. Partial TP is going to be just shy of that wick fill there. Sells? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, let's see what the difference is. 10 pips. Yeah, we're We're going to keep stops where they are. Stops are sitting above this candle here. How'd you take a sell in a range? Well, we got a 30-minute close. We got a close back below the range. We broke the lows. We have a wick to fill. So that's the idea here, right? We got volume coming in, and stop's going to be above those previous highs there. Yeah, right here. So that's it. 30-minute onion play, 9:30. Yeah, wick to fill. So let's wait on it.
Hey, we did our job, right?
MetaTrader's dead. Job is done. Yeah.
Job's done. So
Where you at, chat? All the best. We here. Yeah. Quick. Hey, good evening. Good evening. Hope you're doing well. All right, chat. I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, not yet. Not yet. We'll wait for these wicks here. Almost. Almost. How much are you risking? I am risking 22 pips here on this trade. 22 pips. Fat. Oh. Where are you predicting the best price to take profit? I would say right down here at this, right around these levels here. It's probably going to be best. This 1 hour support. If we can get a closure, a price to come down, fill this wick, and just shy of that wick fill is where I will take profits. And then if we do close back above the range bullish, then what I'll do is I'll look to close the position and manage it right there. WW. Is the trade still valid for someone? Yeah, I would maybe just wait now. Wait for the 15 to close and then see where we're at that point. Or wait for the 30 or... Yeah, wait for the 15 to close. Where's my stops? My stops are sitting right above the highs here. Yeah, right above the previous candle high. Bring out the whole volume. Yeah, we got volume. Just which way are we going to push now? Are we going to push up or down? Up or down? I vote down. This the background of this music sounds like Seinfeld. You ever heard the beginning of Seinfeld? It's like you took a bite. Oh, good for you. Let it rain.
Y'all smell that?
Yes, sir.
Look,
Jerome
it's
just
on the
called
bleeder.
up. I just got the text message. Should see.
Oh,
some
all right.
volume.
That cool. I was about to.
Yeah, what we want to see is we want to see that low break again, and once that low breaks, that'll be awesome. Struggle to say good for you. Ali G vibes. Oh, nice. Passed my challenge in a day. Cool. That's awesome. They won't let me do it until the you got to go like I think like 5 days for most of these firms, and then they'll let you go by.
Yeah, we got previous candle stops here.
Yeah, it should be good. Should be good.
Also,
Kind of got a fake out here too, so. Let's see here. Focus. The candle comes down for the third time and doesn't break the low. I'm just gonna hang on, right? Because we have volume coming in. We had that fake out, that resistance form. So I think we can get down to this 1 hour support here. Bring out the volume. Yeah, bro. Bring out the volume here. Bring it out, gold.
Another bleeder.
Is this an onion play? Yes, it is. Correct. So this is an onion play off the 30-minute time frame. That's all it is. Alright, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Hey, if anyone's stressing, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath and understand you took the real W by following your plan. The result does not matter.
Yes, sir. Got our 30-minute fake out set up. We just execute. That's it.
Literally. Once you do your job, everything else is out of your control. That's why the only thing we focus on is following our job. That's it.
Mark Doms, yeah.
Don't go, Nick. I'm back. The heartbeats are going.
Did you play it?
Yeah. Heartbeats are rolling.
They're rolling.
Tutum. Tutum. They're quaking.
This candle's been twerking? Yeah, it is.
Oh.
It's twerking.
Tell them to bring out the volume.
Oh, I just talked to JP. Told you guys. He's going to bring out the whole volume here.
That's what I figured you were doing.
I felt that as the sound came on. You're like, is that my
15
own
minutes
heart
creating
or what?
resistance.
Yeah.
JP left you on red, TK? I wouldn't take it personal, honestly. He's a busy man.
He's a busy
We
guy.
got the message through, you know?
Yeah. Call. Yeah, exactly. So we broke that low. We should come down now that we're re-breaking the low. My heart is ice cold after MFF. Where? Give me. I'm actually gonna grab some water here. How much time left for the candle close? So let's see. The 15-minute candle did close bearish. Okay, very good. Very good.
Breaking the low.
Gold quag. Medium news coming in 15. Oh yeah, that 10 a.m. news, right? Yeah, that's right. Got news coming in at 10 here. Let's see, how we doing here? Yeah, the only way I'm managing this is if we actually close above the range. Yeah, if other than that, we'll hit full stops or price will come down and tap us at our where we're looking to take profits. Hey, TP, I see you. Developing my new strategy. Any tips from anyone with their own custom? I mean, yeah. What do you got? What have you developed so far? What are you working on?
Gone.
All right, chat. There it is. So I'm going to probably move stops to BE right here. Stops are at break even, and then I'm not going to close any partials just yet, but I am going to make this a risk-free trade at this point.
Big bleed.
So stops are at BE, and we'll see if we can get down there. All right, closing partials right there, chat. So closing 80% of my position, and I'm gonna let the rest ride now.
W.
W. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Let me just delete this and we'll set it down here. Good stuff. Way to hang in there, chat. Way to stay composed. Got about 13 or 12 or 13 pips on that, and then we'll see if we can get the rest to run. But job well done, gang. Way to trust in the process, trust in the playbook, hang on to the position, stay composed, and here's our wick fill now. So very, very nice.
Sent that wick fill too?
Yep.
It hit a
15,
packy
right?
on a 15.
Yeah, I did see that. Yep.
Saw that.
Right when it did that, boom. I was about to double down. No, I'm kidding.
I'm close another half right here. Lovely. Yeah, I'm just gonna delete this and let this thing ride now. Lovely.
That should be the move for today.
That is the move for the day.
Yeah.
There,
Beautiful.
close 50%. So good trade, gang. Good trade. Very nice. And just like that, what do we plan for? We planned for a 30-minute wick fill. We had volume we talked about volume blasting through here, and that's what we've seen, right? So plan the trade the plan, stayed composed, wasn't quaking. Feel bad for those who bought or who felt the need to tell me that they bought where I sold. RIP.
Rip.
There it is. Well, we hit the 1 hour support there, and now we're moving down. So lovely.
See if we can get the 1 hour breakout. And then our runner's gonna be eating.
W. So I got about a 4 lot open left here. I'm just gonna leave that and see what we can get. All right, I think we're gonna come touch down on this support here, and if we close below, you should see continuation down. Runners, baby, runners. Show us the big numbers on Hey, yeah, gang, you should have went full margin on this one actually, right? Because we our probability is 0 at losing 4 there, right? Thanks for the wisdom. I just got my car back.
Let's go.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna close some more right here, man. Nothing like closing some more and some more and some more. We're approaching that support there, so yeah, I made about 1% here, so about 4,300 bucks. 1% on my first day. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Awesome, man. Good stuff. Oh, good job, Giuseppe. Good work, good work. And we got out before the news, I believe, right? Yeah. Got about 6 minutes, 7 minutes for the news. So, W, man. Beautiful trade.
First trades.
And that, my friends, is why you don't listen to the chat. It's just noise. Push it, push it. Look at that, gang. We called it, man. We called it from early morning, right? That we were expecting potential fake outs in this zone here. And we waited for it, right? And that's what we got. So look, we were patient, right? We couldn't enter on this move down here, right? We had no entry. So what did we do? We waited. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, late. So we waited, right? We waited for our another opportunity for the playbook to show up. Boom, tapped. W, chat, W.
Beautiful. How you trade like a professional.
Way to rebound here, gang. Way to hold it together, right? Way to stick to the playbook. What's this? What's this? Oh, another one. So we'll let the rest of this thing ride here. So full TP is going to be down here, our target for the day, which was 1926. So let's see if we get it. Let me go back to what I was saying, though. Hold on. Right, so we were waiting for the fake out, right? We were waiting for the fake out. And we got that fake out. Let me just extend this a little bit so we can read these candles here, right? We got the fake out here. And we just never got an entry, right? If this 15 would have closed somewhere up here, maybe we could have took ourselves coming down from up there. But what happened here? The 15 closed right as support. So what were we forced to do as disciplined professional traders? We were forced to wait, right? Wait for more familiar price action. No problem, right? We waited, price pushed up to pull back for the 4-hour candle. We waited for that 4-hour to close. We had ourselves a resistance formed right here. Our entry, hold on the 30-minute, right? That resistance was formed. As we pulled back, we left room for this wick fill at 9:30. What did I say? I said we have a wick fill, right? And we also have some choppy consolidation here. And when do those things get blown through? Right? When do wicks get filled and when does consolidation get broken through? During times of volume. What time is volume? 9:30. What time do we take our trade? 9:30. Right? So everything is calculated, gang. Everything is planned. This is where patience, this is where exercising the discipline muscle, this is where all that stuff pays off for you. Right? This is where coming up to the charts every day, showing up, watching candles move. This is where it all pays off. So we had beautiful stops. We couldn't have asked for a better 30-minute onion play there. So congrats to everyone who took the trade.
Yeah, those stops were beautiful. Wonderful.
Yeah. Just paid my Lambo. Yeah, I got a small position open now, but 41 pips here, gang. Beautiful work. Times the volume. There you go. That's right. Do you guys really understand it? Right? Do you really get it? This W is annoying. Interesting. RS is an interesting character here. Why is the W annoying, RS? Let's talk. Talk to me, playa. Pushing, pushing. And we got news. We got news in 2 minutes. Should push us to our final destination. I'm going to move my stops. You guys could do this if you want to, but I'm going to move my stops, you know, in profit about 13, 14 pips in profit. Actually, you know what? Once this candle closes, I'm going to put my stops above the highs here. Yeah, I'm going to do that now. So stops are deep in profit. About 30 pips in profit here. So if the candle wants to come up, break the highs, totally fine with me. I'm pretty good on this trade here. You guys can do that if you want. You don't have to. You didn't catch a W. Oh, now I know because you took buys. That's right. Didn't you take buys? Someone took buys. I know you said it, but can you go over the trade one more time? Yeah, we'll do that. Got you. Subscribed. Oh, nice. Hey, we got another subscriber here today, boys. Let's go. Hey, welcome to the squad. Who was that? Where'd he go? Saraf. Saraf, man. Appreciate you. Thanks for subbing to the channel. We're happy to have you here. So here comes some minor news. We may come up and do something here. Add your win rate to the month. Yeah, we'll do that in a second. Just want to watch price right now. Might tap us out. If we break the lows though, we should come all the way down to 26 here. Why in the world am I on the 5 minute?
Oh, is that what that was? I was trying to figure out why my candles look different. That's funny.
You want me to subscribe every day? I'll do it. Mark, what up, Mark? All right, lovely. Let's mark that up. Let's get on the board here for September. So that was 9:30. Good old 9:30 back. Nothing like coming back with a good old 9:30, right? To start the month.
Yeah, bro.
We are in
awesome.
Yeah, 9/5/23. That was gold. Sells onion. What do we do there? Do we current? Yeah, current.
You're putting that as the onion?
Yeah, 30-minute onion play.
Word?
Yeah, what are you putting it as?
I put it as a fake out. I mean, it's the same thing.
Oh yeah, same stuff. You can put that as a onion or a fake out. It's pretty much the same thing. Yeah, it's basically we'll add the fake out. We know it's an onion, right? We know it's a fake out onion, so we'll put it as that since there was a fake out there. Break of the current, that was off 30-minute risk full. Close. Why does this say half? Let me Oh, we almost came. We almost got a 26 here. Let's see. Can we keep going? Can we keep going? $13, and then I basically closed the rest of it, pretty much the bulk of it, down here, right? So what was that? 39, 40? Yeah, we'll put 40. Oh, look at this. That is it. I am closing my full position right there. Done. Done, done, done. Lovely. Good job, gang. Perfect. Tapped into that zone. That's it. That's all I want, right? That's my piece of the pie right there. Worked out lovely there. Once those 4-hour lows broke, it came down. We got that 15-minute pack runner. Once that low broke, that's when you seen that initial push. And then we had those 4-hour lows break, which was lovely. Got you, Alexandru. Yeah, a day of patience. We'll go over the trade in just a second again, and yeah. Motion, baby. We got motion. Hey, you know we were the originators of motion, right? Come on, man.
Yeah, we were.
We've been saying motion.
Woke up to homies talking like me. Woke up to homies talking. W's in the chat. I just opened the YouTube. I see everything's going crazy.
Motion. Yeah, we can get past 26 here, absolutely. But that was the area in which I was looking at here, you know, tapping back into these zones. So, you know, if we go, we go. If not, I can really care less, right? I already got my move here, so. What'd GJ do? GJ... Yeah, the first attempt wouldn't have worked out too well. Can you quickly explain why you entered? Yeah, we're going to do that right now. Okay. So, hold on. Why so many type W? They are fired up about their trade. They're fired up about their day. They're fired up about their future, I'm sure. And that's why they're typing W's. Because there's some winners, man. They some winners. All right. Let's briefly just recap the trade. Right? So, again, you know, we were looking for fake outs somewhere in these zones here today. I did not want to take my buys anywhere at all until we got above 38 here. Everything else was very prone for fake outs, right? So we were looking for sells, right? Here was our first initial thought. It was at 815, right? But that 815 candle closed as support, I think. So we had no entries there, right? No entries here at 815. Price ended up pushing all the way back up, right? Closing bullish above the range at 845, right? Because we don't want to enter this position. There was no top wick, and then as we moved down, we didn't create a top wick right away, right? We kind of moved down, broke the lows, and from my experience, that just activates sellers, right? You see the gap here? That's where sellers got activated on this position, right? And that's where we would have gotten activated had we not continued to get better at our system, right? So we waited for that top wick, but that top wick just pushed all the way up to the top of the range here. So, right, chalk it up, right? This is what you have to do now. Okay, that didn't work, right? On to the next plan. So the next plan was, can we get a fake out here, right? If we can get that fake out, then we can take our sells now coming back into range. Now, look, we did get that fake out, but where did price close? Again, right at support, right? So could we have taken sells here, gang? Although people in the chat were telling us to? No, right? No, we cannot take our sells here because we closed right at this support. So therefore, we stayed disciplined, right? We stayed patient. What did price do? Broke the lows, activated all the impatient sellers. Go to my Instagram, check out what I've posted, right? The market will take the money from the impatient and it will give it to the patient people, right? Warren Buffett said that. So we couldn't take these sells. We closed them out. Sellers did get activated here, I'm sure. I'm sure a bunch of you on stream may have gotten activated. And then what happened? We pushed all the way up here, right? Now we closed bullish, right? So we couldn't take a buy, right? Because we were bullish below this level here. And we couldn't take a sell because candle closed bullish, right? So what do we have to do now? Wait again, right? And that's when you hear the people talking about, yo, man, do you ever take any trades? Or do you just wait? Do you just wait for candles to close? Yes, we do, right? Yes, we do. We waited for another candle to close, and that candle now closed bearish, right? Oh, let's go to the 30-minute. 30-minute time frame closed bearish, giving us an onion play, right? And we still got to take advantage of that fake out, right? We still got to take advantage of the price in which you guys couldn't resist earlier, right? But instead we waited for a playbook opportunity to get that entry. We got the resistance to form along with the fake out. We had 930 coming in. We had a wick to fill here and volume, right? So stops were kept above these highs, which was really, really good stops, right? Above these highs here. Entries were here on the break of the lows, and that was your move, right? Coming down to fill this wick here and tap into this support. And that's exactly what we did. 1926 or 25 was the overall goal. Tapped it precisely once again. And that's it. That's the day. Right? That's the trade. Right? We called two very, very precise exits, one being here and the other being here. Both nailed it right on the head. So that was the trade. What a great trade and all those pips without 1,000 likes. Yeah, imagine if we had 1,000 likes. Holy, we would have never sat in drawdown. Shout out to everyone who sat in drawdown for a bit with me. All right, good feeling, right? Toughen up a little bit, make you a little tougher. Some of you guys were quaking. Some of you guys are praying on my downfall. Yes, I took buys when he took sells. Yes, it's going up. Yeah. What does Don say? What does he say? Plot shift or something? Yeah, we gotta switched up the plot on y'all.
Plot
twist. Plot twist.
I like the other one you said. Plot shift? I don't know. I'm an idiot.
I'm a maniac. Now I can sleep calmly. Oh, nice. Hey, praise the Lord. Good. Sleep good. Sleep good. Nick Money Concept. Let's see here. Oh, my second account didn't get the trade on the copier. Yeah, that's why I just kind of want to avoid that stuff. What time do I look to make trades on GJ? Same times as gold. You know, during volume, during session opens. Whenever there's volume headed into town, I'm always there to see if I can hunt some pips down. How much did I make? Let's see. 4,700. So a little bit over 1%. The greatest transfer of wealth on the internet. Yeah, and then guess what? We had that 15 packy out, man. That 15 pack, right? We grabbed
Yes,
that pack
sir.
on the 15 and then just ripped. Once we came flipping back down, you notice how we ripped right away? What was the biggest candle here? The one we traded, right? And what did that candle do? Gave us the pack runner. And notice how it was the biggest and fastest candle? Because we were in this candle for a minute, right? Just kind of moving back and forth. And then once we broke that high and came back down, that was it. It was gone after that.
Yes, sir.
Signing off. God bless. Thanks, Nick. My brother from another mother. Hey, later, Mark. See you tomorrow, bro. Thanks, Nick. I can make my car payment now. Awesome. Let's go. That car payment got to get paid.
Pack runner's so efficient. Yeah, absolutely. We wouldn't introduce it if it wasn't.
Yeah, you know, now we just have to take our time with learning all the nuances to it, and we've got a really good read on it, but you know, there's still more to learn, right? More to explore. So you know, that's what we'll continue to do. Be patient with it, and you know, next year we'll be able to run it up every single time we see it. But you know, we got to take some time to understand it, right? Get a better understanding about it.
Yeah. JD LaRue, I like that. That's not bad at all.
What do you say?
He took a second position on the flip after that pack because it made that top wick before it even made a bottom one. Yeah, and then as soon as it flipped, it went straight into profit.
Not a bad idea.
I was debating that as well, but I kind of just wanted to, like Nick was just saying, you know, learning the nuances, let it play out.
Yeah.
And I was already in the first one, so no reason to get greedy. But I don't think that was greedy there, right? That was a setup.
Yeah. Do you have signals in the Discord? Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful job here with the signals channel too. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, if you guys want to purchase signals, we're doing whatever package you purchase, you get 2 months free right now. 2 months free. Yeah, this is our signals channel here. So this was today's trade. Every signal kind of comes out exactly the same. And yeah, so that's today's signal there. But beautiful, man, beautiful. So you guys are welcome. You just I'm sure the Discord will pop up the links for that, or the chat will pop up some links for signals if you guys want to purchase them and take advantage. I think we're gonna run the promo maybe till next week, and then we'll probably close it up again. And gang, seriously, if you guys really want to understand how we're able to really pinpoint these exits, right, and these moves here, then apply for the Time to Eat Elite program, right? If that's something that you can invest into, highly recommend it. If you can't, stick with the live streams, run these up, get the basics, get the knowledge, the free value here. But if that's something that you can invest into, it's not cheap either. So it's going to be for the serious traders only. But we're going to really dive super deep into, you know, everything on how I view the markets, because, you know, sometimes I can kind of breeze by a little topic, but in the Elite program, we spend, you know, an hour just talking about one little thing. So yeah, if you want to take your trading to the next level, check that out. Apply now. I think we're going to shut the application form down in about 2 days, and that'll be it. Do you have bunks available for the in-person Elite? Elite. When's the program starts? It's going to start in October. Yeah, it's going to start early October, maybe late September, but definitely October 1st. Yeah, it'll go about every 10 weeks. So if you can't get in this one, we're only accepting like 25 people, I think. And we've got close to 300 application forms to work on. So Yeah, we're unfortunately we can't take in everybody, but you know, every 10 weeks we'll continue to open it up. So how to get in the elite program? Go on to the website and fill out the application form right here. So you can come on down, fill out this application form right here. Couple brief questions so I can get to know you a little bit better, and then we'll reach out to you if we decide to move forward. What's that? 40. What's this? W. How to be like you. I mean, analysis, understanding trade, and winning. Oh, that's going to be a lot of that's going to be in the elite program, or just show up every day and pay attention on stream. Please, please. Just pay attention on stream. You'll figure all this out. Can you do an Indian accent, please, Nick? Maybe I can, maybe I can't. Maybe we'll talk about it later. That'll be $4.99. Went full margin on this. Hey, yo.
Would everyone catch a W and dip?
They caught a dub and dipped. That's okay. No worries. No worries. If you look at the journal and see we take partials and full TP, would we make more money by not taking partials and go only TP, stop loss at break even? Yeah, that's something we're gonna continue to work on. You know, holding trades a little bit longer. Today's case was a little bit you know, there was a bit of roughness over here, plus a couple supports. So that's why I wanted to make sure I was closing partials. But you know, typically when there's very clean traffic, then yes, we'll let our trades start to run a lot longer, just going break even instead of closing. But in today's case, I did want to close some partials, right, being that we had some supports and, you know, some opportunities for a price to reject that area. I text you on Discord, I believe. Could you take a look? Oh, yeah, I'll take a look. Yup. Nice accent. You nailed it. Oh. Being an Indian, I'm a fan of your Indian accent. Oh, late. Pakistan. Taking profits helps you stay profitable. Yeah, it's true, Peter. Yep. Yeah, we always want to, although we may want to hold, we always want to do what the market tells us to do, right? Whatever the market's saying on the left-hand side, that's what we want to listen to. But yeah, we'll continue to work on those ideas. But you are right. Taking partials keeps
we forward test every day.
Yeah. All right. So yeah, that's probably gonna be the day here for me. That was my target here on the day. If you guys go back and watch the morning analysis, you'll see that that was the target here for the day. So that's it, right? That's it. Doesn't really matter if price continues down. That was the day there for me, and that's what we'll stick to. So hey, if you took that trade, spam some W's in the chat. If you had a good one here today, let us know by spamming some W's in the chat. And man, I think that's gonna be it, right? I think we are off to mañana now, right? Target's been tapped. There's really nothing else for us to talk about or nothing else to do, right? Just enjoy your win and enjoy your profits, and let's move on to the next day. Come back strong and enjoy the day here today. Hey, yo, W's in the chat. Awesome. Sam, Johnny boy, appreciate you guys, man. Thanks for coming by as always, giving us your input.
Thank you, brother.
Yes, sir. Thanks for having me, brother.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Chat, love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day today. Get off the charts, right? Don't try and make more money. You got your
Yeah, it's
bag
beautiful
today.
outside.
Yeah. You got your bag today. Let it go, and let's come back tomorrow. Cool?
Well, enjoy your day.
Yeah.
Have a good day, boys. Have a
Awesome.
good day, chat.
You guys
Love
too?
you guys.
Chat.
Y'all.
I'm gone.
Love y'all.
Love you. Hope you
Peace.
guys have a great one. And till tomorrow, love y'all. Deuces. Peace. Later.